Let's draw a fast helicopter. First, draw the helicopter's cockpit. Blue. Splendid! Now draw a window. Yellow. If you wish your helicopter to fly, you need to draw a big rotor. Brown. Fantastic! Now draw the tail rotor. Pink. Draw the helicopter's door. Red. And also wheels. First, the front wheel. Black. And now, the rear wheel. Excellent job! Great helicopter! The word helicopter begins with the letter H. Write the letter H and your helicopter will fly. Violet.